Assalamu alaikum. Lesson 39, Love for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If you love him, it will be easy to obey him. As a result, you will achieve success in this world and in the hereafter. And you will receive forgiveness and the love of Allah. And you will experience the sweetness of faith. And on the day of judgment, you will be in his company. Why love him? Because as a result of the favor of Allah and then his sacrifices, we are Muslims today. He cared for us more than we care for ourselves. He prayed for us, and among his accepted prayers, he reserved one for our sake to be used on the day of judgment. No one is like him in the whole world in terms of virtues, and it is even harder to imagine his beauty and his spiritual radiance. To cultivate love for the Prophet ﷺ, read Seerah and Hadith, practice his Sunnah, and regularly pray for him, especially after Adhan.